Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word intriguing. And my top tip before we look at the script is just notice in the middle of the word we've got that G followed by a U and an I. It might be tempting for you to pronounce this word with a GUI in the middle, but as we'll see, we don't want a GUI. So here it is. Here's the script from the Cambridge Dictionary, and as you can see there's no GUI. So the first thing to notice then is the division of the word. We've got 3 syllables and the second syllable gets the main stress. So to begin with, we've got a nice straightforward in. Then we've got a cluster, that tr cluster, so curl back the tongue for the R, no trill necessary here. And then an E, building that back together, tree, and that's our strong syllable. When we put it back together, remember that gets the strong, the emphasis. And then ging. Now this ing sound at the end of many English words, it's not as hard as a g. So although we write it with the letter G, when it's pronounced it's an ing, it sort of resonates. So putting those back together then, we've got, remember, stress syllable 2, intriguing, intriguing, intriguing. And the takeaway point is there's no GUI or gway. Depending on your native language, there are several potential errors that could occur with this word, but now you've heard it multiple times. Intriguing, intriguing. What an intriguing word. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, you could leave a comment, or you could share. And check out the main page if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and have a great day.